Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to use Stash and Dash. This system is designed to simplify the management of recurring tasks or inventory, specifically through its Schedule 1 feature. It helps you automate the tracking and replenishment of specific items, ensuring you always have what you need when you need it. By streamlining these operational workflows, you can save many hours each week, allowing you to focus on more critical aspects of your work. To begin, you'll need to set up your stash within the system. First, identify all the items or recurring tasks you want to manage. For each item, input essential details like its unique name, the current quantity on hand, and its primary storage location. Crucially, define a minimum threshold for each item. For example, if you have 10 units, set a reorder point at 3 units. This ensures timely alerts for replenishment. Now, let's understand the Dash schedule, which automates actions based on your stash thresholds. You can create a schedule by specifying how often the system should check your inventory levels, perhaps daily at 9 a.m. or weekly on Mondays. For each item, define the desired action when its threshold is met, such as automatically generating a purchase order for 20 units or sending a task reminder to a team member. This ensures proactive management. For optimal use, regularly review and update your item thresholds to accurately reflect current usage patterns. Perhaps adjust a threshold from 5 to 7 units. Make sure to utilize the system's reporting features to analyze consumption trends over several months, helping you forecast future needs more precisely. Consider integrating Stash and Dash with other operational tools for a more comprehensive and seamless workflow, maximizing its efficiency across your entire operation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.